All right, guys. So, let's take a look at this example, considering multiple methods or multiple approach. If, however you want to think of it. If you had this trinomial, um, looking at it, you ask the first question, which you always ask that question, by the way, is the GCF, or can I group this uh expression? Oh, can you just go ahead and factor because it's a trinomial, or so forth and so on, or is it a difference of square or whatnot? Well, we're looking at it. If you look, you can tell there's a GCF because all these numbers can be divided by 4. So 4 would be your GCF because of that reason. So if you factor out 4, what you're going to have left is x squared minus 16 divided by 4, 4x, okay? 16 divided by 4 plus 4, okay? So then the next step, you know, again, multiple methods or multiple steps or multiple approach, if you want to think of it that way. So the next thing you have to do is, can you do anything else with it? Yeah, because then now you end up having a trinomial. Okay, then you create your two parentheses. Remember your 4 that your GCF, which is 4, you factored in the beginning. You have to bring it down with you, and then to factor this, you're going to split your squared term, x, and then you're gonna try to find two numbers that when you combine them is going to give you negative 4. When you multiply them, they will give you a positive 4. Well, if you take positive 4, let's say, okay, you divide it by 1, it's still going to be 4. If you divide it by 2, it's going to be 2. Well, that's basically what you could do because those are prime. Well, what can you do with 2 and 2 in order to get your positive 4 and your negative 2? Well, guess what? If you make both of those numbers, 2 and 2, negative, then you can combine negative 2 and negative 2. It's going to give you negative 4. And if you multiply, okay, if you multiply negative 2 and negative 2, it's going to give you a positive 4. So those are your numbers. So negative 2, and you're done. Or you can rewrite this as 4 times x minus 2 squared is the same thing as this. All right, and that's it. You're done. Thank you.